Hi everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I wanted to share with you what I'm going to be doing next weekend. Well, technically I'm going to be flying next weekend, but there is a 3-day event happening next weekend. It is the Stress-Free Card Maker Summit, and this is the Fun Fold and Interactive Card Edition. You guys know how I love fun folds and interactive cards. So I'm going to be one of the speakers, and I have a really fun card to share with you. Now, like I said, this is going to run from May 16th through the 18th, and it is a free event, but you do have to sign up. You will learn from a lineup of incredible speakers that are going to be teaching fun folds, spinners, pop-ups, all kinds of different interactive elements. Now, what makes this summit unique is that us as speakers were required to come up with cards that only required 5 products or less. Now, that doesn't include your paper trimmer, maybe your stamp block, glue, things of that nature. Those are all things that we have in our stash, right? So we just had to come up with making these cards using 5 products or less. So I think that's really exciting, and I think that's really going to help you. So that doesn't mean that you necessarily need a specific special product to make these things. The goal was to try and come up with cards that would be easy to make with so many of the things that we already have. We do have a free private pop-up on Facebook where you can share your ideas, talk with other card makers, share your cards, win prizes, and just have fun. Now, like I said, this is 100% free to attend, but there is an Ultimate Card Maker bundle that you can upgrade to if you'd like. So when you upgrade to that Ultimate Card Maker bundle, not only are you getting lifetime access to all the presentations, but you're also unlocking a massive vault of inspiration. We're talking about $2,400 worth of value. That's going to include printables, SVGs, step-by-steps, everything from fun folds to watercoloring. And you're also going to get access to 3 live classes that are going to be presented by Justine and Laurel. How cool is that? I'm really excited for this summit. I cannot wait to check it out myself and see what everybody else has made and is sharing with us, because you know I love some fun folds and some interactive. And if all I need are a few supplies, I am all in. All right, thanks everybody. I'm going to have links down below so that you can check it out. You can check out the free one. You can get to the Ultimate Bundle, all those opportunities, and that's going to be linked down in the description box down below. So be sure to head there. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.